Welcome back, everyone. Here we would take this little mushroom forest we previously arranged in Aero and then add some behaviors. As normal, we'll open up the behavior panel. We're going to start with the clouds. So create a start trigger, add a move action to the cloud asset, and check infinite. Move along the x-axis. 100 should do. 5-second duration. Go back and check back and forth by unchecking infinite. Give a play count, then check infinite again, which will pretty much negate the play count. Repeat for the next two clouds, but make sure the actions are not grouped, as we want them to play the whole experience and not hold up actions. Because remember, if we add an action next to this column, those actions will only start once the longest action in the first column completes. And since these clouds will be moving infinitely, this column will never actually complete. Therefore, the action next to it will never start. This one will be cloud 1, same settings, except let's move this negative 100 on the x-axis. A 3.5-second duration. Now the third cloud. Oops, not the move to action. Overall, repeat the settings to move it back and forth. Move on the x-axis at -70, maybe a duration of 6. Preview the experience. Cool, it's looking good. Let's do another start trigger so we don't affect the clouds. So select the bubble. Right now, we have it in the position we want it to end at, so we would just need to place it in the position it would start from. So move under the pond. Then add a move action. Alternatively, we could use the move to action in hindsight, and that's the beauty of being creative. A million methods to achieve the same result, but let's just continue with the move action for now. Let's adjust the y-axis. Oops, wrong object. Always got to double check that the right object is selected. Back to the y-axis. We can keep previewing the distance until we get an ideal position. 120. 110. Looks close. A little bit lower. 180, 108, 105. Okay, back to 108. Perfect. Okay, let's try a 3-second duration. We're going to give a delay of 5 seconds. Now, I want it to scale up as it moves up. So adding a start trigger so it's not affected by the move action. We're going to add a show action, make it fade and scale. Add a duration of 1 second. Then a delay of 1 second. Looks a little off. Maybe delay can be 0, then a duration of 3. Almost there. Go back to the move action and make that duration 3. Give both a delay of 2. Think we need a hide action so it doesn't show until above the pawn. So add a hide action, group it with the show action, and move above it. A delay of 3. Preview. And it's looking good. All right, for the heart icon, add a start trigger, then a wait action, make the duration 3 seconds, select the heart icon, add a show action again, and set it to fade in 1 second duration. All right, so we need a hide action, group with the show action, and place it above the show action. Preview. Not there yet, so delete that hide action and add one more above the wait action in the first column to group it. Preview again. Need a duration at 0 and set to fade. Another preview. Got the effect right, just need to adjust timing, so let's go back and make the wait 5 seconds. Almost complete. Now we need to hide that bubble. Let's go back to the top where the actions for the bubble is and add a wait action next to the first column. Give it a 3-second wait. Then a hide action next to wait. Set a duration to 1 second. Set the scale and fade. Preview. All right, think it's getting there. Just want to reduce the wait. Let's make that 1 second. Nice, a few tweaks to this cloud. Let's change the distance to -60 and check it out. Really liking how this turned out, even with how the icon is cutting through the cloud. And who would have known all this started out as flat vector objects in Adobe Illustrator? Let's check the file share size, and looks like we kept it small at 16 megabytes. So if you prefer this, you can go back in Dimension and add some materials and texture. Just replace selected asset, and you don't have to redo these behaviors. Thank you all again for sticking out until the end of this course and watching me troubleshoot behaviors. But as you know, sometimes that's part of the creative process. I hope you all enjoyed this exercise and you've learned a lot. Stick around as we talk about adding audio in the next lesson, but for now, enjoy playing around with this experience, maybe adding more assets, putting your spin on things along with testing out materials from Dimension, and see you around.